I've already stated my priorities. Now it's for the CM. I think you should talk to the CM. I've already said that the government has to run in a clean and transparent way, and we are here to deliver and not seek for personal glory in positions.
You have a team of experienced administrative people and a young team. What do you expect from them?
I expect them to perform because eventually what matters most is performance. The time for elections is over. Now the time has come for us to perform, and our work will speak for ourselves.
Which are the sectors your priority sectors?
Education, health, land revenue, water, sanitation. So these are key areas because development has been lagging behind in these specific sectors.
Ruling BJP had denied to come here on the ground that after post-poll violence taken, but at the same time they had put the allegation on the communist also, saying in the name of Tepra government. What is the reaction to that?
I don't want to have any talk about violence. The idea is that the elections are over and this culture of post-poll violence is there in West Bengal, Tripura and Kerala. And this is a culture that we have inherited and I want this to end. So the first thing we want to do is as soon as we come to power, we want to actually ensure that we have a fund which comes out to all the victims who have been affected by this post-poll violence regardless of party, and we help them out. So that is one of the decisions we have taken, and we are going to implement that. And regarding, we are not against any political party. We have our own independent point of view. We have friends on all sides, and we are against no one. We have our own agenda, and we want to carry an agenda. We don't want to be caught in a fight between left and right. We want to go the way we think it's right for us.
Thank you.
So you had promised that once the council is formed, white paper will be released. By when can we expect the same?
So the meeting will take place today as the EM has, I think we'll have to constitute a thing, and we will come out with the white paper because the people need to know how much money is coming in and where the money is being spent on.
Thank you.
Thank you.